Here I am in the rain trying to get into my K12, and I'm pressing the button, and this little light here, well, it is a light, it's an LED, it's a red one. It should actually shine when I'm pressing the button. Oh, it just opened. So even though it opened, it is time to change the key. And there is a way into this, and you'll need some tools, and the tool is a screwdriver with a flat blade, and basically you put it in there, and it opens up and comes into two halves, and this is the part we're interested in, the battery. Hopefully I've got one. I'll cut that bit out, that's a bit daft, because if I ain't got one I better go and get one. Whoops, it's all come out, look. Better remember how that went in. And it says on the battery 2032, which is the size. So having found a 2032 in a pack, brand new, I've put the other one out for taking to the supermarket to recycle it. There's a little collection box, I think it's in one of the supermarkets, and the sell by date on the batteries is 2020, so it should be working. So I'm going to fetch that out. I've also bought a new tool along, which is a pair of tweezers, because I want to put this thing back how it was when it all fell out. And I think a pair of tweezers is probably going to be the best thing to do that with. I don't quite know how that goes. It's not like that, is it? Maybe it comes back here a bit. There we are. That's how it goes. So you may need a pair of tweezers as well. I've done this a couple of times. Poundland batteries, I mean, they're quite good because they're cheap for a lot of them, but they don't last very well necessarily. Right, so it was there's a big positive sign in the plastic, and I remembered that it was facing down, so just pop that in there like so. You could wear gloves and do that, but these don't last long enough for the acid on your fingers to actually mess around with the battery. And we'll pop this all back together. Should just snap shut. I think it snaps shut right there. So when I press the button, now the LED works. That means it's got a good strong signal. It's probably unlocked it already. So it's still raining, and let's try this now. Yeah, it's working, happy. So I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank you very much indeed if you've recently subscribed, or even if you've subscribed for ages and I have never thanked you before. Thank you for that. And if you press the like buttons on my previous Nissan Micra videos, thank you again, because that's a really amazing thing. So have a safe journey, and see you later.